Some say when you're training a dog, it's important for every negative connotation. So every time you punish a dog, every one punishment, you should be giving them about 7 times praise. And so that's a great principle to think about how you can use that with humans. You might want to think about the Pareto distribution, so you can do 20 to 80, 30 to 30 to 70. But the point is that you need a lot more positive for every negative comment. Another way of getting someone to allow you to photograph them is giving them your point of view. We all have different perspectives, and most people, whether they realize it or not, appreciate that perspective.
I want to get smoke coming out of your mouth. That's what I do. I just make art out of real life. Just smoke it, and I'm gonna snap off a bunch. Go ahead. There it is. Yeah, just beat. Go ahead, look over your left shoulder and let the smoke out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Where you find the photos at?
I do an Instagram. It's LaCour Studio, actually here. Oh, sorry.
Promote your business.
Sorry, bro. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks. I appreciate it, dude.
So when approaching someone, everyone loves to talk about themselves.
Look, that light's crazy. Yeah. That's what I was going for. I can barely even see you. What's your name?
I'm Omar.
Omar. Eric, what do you do out here?
If you want someone to be interested in you and what you're doing, you have to be interested in them. Express your interest and ask questions. And that also means we have to actually listen to what they say. And continuing the conversation is asking the right questions.
San Francisco's fun too. I grew up there, like cheaper cost of living here too. Save some money.
Cool. Let's see if I got a good shot of you. That's all right. Let me do it. Let me get another one if you don't mind. Hang on that. Yeah. Now look over that way. Cool. Hold that. Let me see it. The light's kind of crazy. One more time.
Me and Omar here had a few things to discuss, and I realized there was another opportunity for me to photograph him. There was some light bouncing off of a building behind me, and it was lighting his face pretty well, and then the sun was coming through the window behind him and gave us a semi flare, and it kind of wraps around.
Right there. Let's see. All right, now look to your right. Cool. A little farther. Yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3. Cool. And now look at me. Cool. Perfect. I'll see you around, dude.
What's your Instagram?
Oh, LaCour Studio. LACOUR Studio. Nice camera. Fujifilm out? Yeah, that's my man. Look. I got the XT2, the 3, and the 4. He's like, shut the f up, dude.
A lot of these guys were asking for a little bit of money, which is fine. I don't mind giving them a little bit of money here and there, but this was a cool snap of this guy walking by asking for money. I just did a quick little snap.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry, dude, I don't have any. That's the best. Only here do you get that. Yeah, hit me up on Instagram. I only got so much time, so I'm gonna run around.
I followed you.
All right, perfect. Yeah. Good meeting you, dude. You should probably be a model or something.
Yeah, you too.
I actually lived in Los Angeles.
And then I walked by and I just saw this nice light bouncing off a building behind us, coming in underneath this little walkway, and there was 2 people sitting there. I just kind of liked the way the girl was dressed.
Hey, can I do a picture of you? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, cool. All right, come on.
Won't interfere.
No worries. Can I get you by yourself? You can stay on your phone, just stand right here.
Assume the other person you're dealing with has a noble goal. There's nothing worse than someone assuming the negative.
All right, here we go. Sorry, I'm having issues. There we go. I know how to work this thing, I swear. You look good. Hey, Instagram, you want to give me yours? I guess I am distracting you. I'm so sorry. All right. Hey, look, if you don't hear from me, you just text me like, motherfucker, where's my pictures? Appreciate your service, guys.
One of the best things about New Orleans is there's almost like a party in the street everywhere. People are playing music on the street. It's always something. There's like a guy dancing, and they were just having a good time. Gotta love that about New Orleans.
Oh yeah. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Cool. One more right here. Hey, you got Instagram?
Yeah, man. I do YouTube, by the way. Jacob's Lifestyle.
Oh, sweet. And if you want to try another shot where you're doing a wheelie, like right here, let's do it. All right. Awesome, hit you up. All right.
Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you want to support me, I have some t-shirts that I just designed. There's a link in the description. My main t-shirt is the Geometry of Light. It's my logo. It's the symbol I use for both my photography and my breath work. And I hope that it will remind people to appreciate life, embrace suffering, but also take time to find the light within.
use the code GETLIT10 for 10% off. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it, hit the bell, all those things, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, always go to class.
Happy Monday, Red Rice and Bean Day. I'm tired. Saying a little bit of reason. I got a new album over here called Dreamwalker. Well, I'm in Charlotte Horn, Uncle Shadow,